Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker and the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver ice quickly and efficiently, but which one is right for you? Let's dive into their features, performance, and value to find out. When it comes to speed, the Smug Countertop Ice Maker takes the lead, producing 9 cubes in just 6 minutes. In contrast, the Igloo model takes 7 to 8 minutes to create 8 cubes. This difference can be significant during parties or gatherings where ice demand is high. Both the Smug and Igloo ice makers boast a daily ice production capacity of 26 pounds. This makes them suitable for continuous use, whether at home or during outdoor activities. However, the Smug offers the added benefit of producing ice faster, which can be crucial when you need ice on demand. In terms of design, the Smug model is slightly wider at 10.62 inches, while the Igloo is more compact at just 7.3 inches wide, making it a better fit for tight spaces. Additionally, the Igloo weighs only 13.78 pounds, making it easier to transport. However, the Smug features a built-in handle for added convenience. In conclusion, both the Smug and Igloo countertop ice makers have their strengths. If you prioritize speed and versatility, the Smug is the better choice. However, if space-saving design is your main concern, the Igloo is a fantastic option. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.